Have you ever pulled a coin from your pocket, glanced at it for a second, and tossed it aside without a second thought?
What if one of those ordinary-looking coins was hiding a fascinating story that stretched across centuries of American history? Most people walk past nickels every single day. They sit in cash registers, cup holders, old jars, and forgotten drawers. They rarely attract attention. They aren't made of gold. They don't sparkle like silver dollars. They don't carry the prestige of rare colonial coins.
Yet among these seemingly ordinary pieces of change lies a coin connected to one of America's most influential founding fathers, a coin that has circulated through the hands of millions of Americans,
and a coin that continues to attract the attention of collectors searching for exceptional examples, mint errors, and historical significance. Today we're taking a closer look at a nickel that many people overlook but collectors never ignore, and the deeper we explore its story, the more fascinating it becomes.
Welcome to Royal Coin Value USA, where forgotten history and rare treasures come back to life.
On this channel, we uncover the stories hidden within coins, exploring their history, rarity, designs, minting processes, collector interest, and the remarkable journeys they take through time. Whether you're a seasoned numismatist or someone who simply enjoys discovering the history hidden in everyday objects, you're about to see why this particular coin remains an important part of modern American coin collecting.
Today, our journey centers on the 2000p Jefferson Nickel, struck at the Philadelphia Mint.
To truly appreciate this coin, we first need to travel back through history. The story actually begins long before the year 2000. In fact, it begins with one of the most influential figures in American history. Thomas Jefferson was not only the third president of the United States, he was also the principal author of the Declaration of Independence. A diplomat, philosopher, architect, and one of the most important thinkers of the early American Republic.
His impact on the nation was so significant that the United States Mint chose to honor him on the 5-cent coin beginning in 1938.
That decision replaced the famous Buffalo nickel, ending one of the most beloved coin designs in American history. The new Jefferson Nickel introduced a different approach. Instead of featuring symbolic imagery or Native American themes, it celebrated a specific historical figure and his iconic Virginia home, Monticello. For decades, the Jefferson Nickel became one of the most familiar coins in American commerce. Generations grew up using them.
Millions passed through countless transactions every day.
And by the year 2000, the Jefferson Nickel had already become a permanent fixture of American life. Yet the year 2000 itself was special. The world was entering a new millennium. People everywhere were reflecting on the past while looking toward the future. Computers, technology, and global communication were rapidly changing daily life. The so-called Y2K transition had captured public attention. There was excitement, uncertainty, and anticipation surrounding the arrival of the new century.
The coins produced during this period became part of that historical moment.
Every 2000p Jefferson Nickel represents a small artifact from the beginning of a new millennium. While most people were focused on larger events, these coins quietly entered circulation, beginning journeys that would eventually make them collectible pieces of history. Now let's take a closer look at the design itself. The obverse, or front side, features the familiar portrait of Thomas Jefferson. This portrait was originally created by sculptor Felix Schlag.
Jefferson faces left, his profile instantly recognizable to generations of Americans.
The word liberty appears beside him, accompanied by the year 2000. The motto, "In God We Trust," is positioned prominently along the left side. At first glance, the design may appear simple, but simplicity is often deceptive. Every line and detail was carefully crafted to present Jefferson as a thoughtful statesman and intellectual leader. The portrait remained largely unchanged for decades, becoming one of the longest-running designs in modern American coinage.
Collectors often appreciate how this design connects modern Americans with the nation's earliest years.
Every Jefferson Nickel serves as a reminder of the country's founding principles and historical origins. Turning the coin over reveals one of the most iconic buildings in American numismatic history. The reverse features Monticello, Jefferson's famous Virginia estate. The structure is displayed with remarkable symmetry and architectural precision. Above the building appears the inscription E Pluribus Unum. Below it, the denomination 5 cents and United States of America complete the design.
Monticello is more than just a house.
It represents Jefferson's interests in architecture, science, agriculture, and innovation. For collectors, the reverse design serves as a miniature tribute to one of America's most complex and influential historical figures. Every detail of the building reflects careful engraving work, and for decades, Americans carried this image without realizing the historical significance contained within such a small coin. Now, let's examine how the 2000p Jefferson Nickel was produced.
The P mint mark mark indicates production at the Philadelphia Mint, one of the most historic minting facilities in the United States.
Philadelphia has played a central role in American coinage since the nation's earliest years. By 2000, the Mint was operating with highly advanced production technology capable of striking enormous quantities of coins. The 2000p Jefferson Nickel was produced in large numbers. Hundreds of millions entered circulation. This means that in ordinary circulated condition, the coin remains relatively common today.
However, as experienced collectors know, common does not necessarily mean uninteresting.
In fact, some of the most fascinating collecting opportunities emerge from coins with large mintages. Why? Because condition becomes the real challenge. When millions of coins enter circulation, most experience wear. They collect scratches. They suffer contact marks. They lose their original mint luster. Over time, truly exceptional examples become much harder to find than mintage figures might suggest. This distinction creates an important lesson in coin collecting.
Rarity is not always about how many coins were produced.
Sometimes it is about how many survived in outstanding condition. That reality becomes especially important when discussing modern coins like the 2000p Jefferson Nickel. A heavily circulated example may be easy to locate. A sharply struck, brilliantly preserved coin with minimal imperfections can be significantly more difficult to find, and this is where collector interest begins to grow. Let's talk about mint errors and varieties. For many collectors, errors represent some of the most exciting discoveries in numismatics.
The possibility that an unusual coin might emerge from an ordinary roll search adds excitement to the hobby.
The 2000p Jefferson Nickel is no exception. Collectors have reported various minting anomalies associated with the series. These may include off-center strikes, die cracks, clipped planchets, strike-through errors, and other production irregularities. Such errors occur during the manufacturing process and can create unique collectibles. Off-center strikes happen when the blank coin is not properly aligned during striking. The resulting design appears shifted.
Clipped planchets occur when a portion of the metal blank is missing before striking.
Die cracks can create raised lines on the finished coin. Strike-through errors happen when foreign material interferes with the striking process. Each error tells its own story about the complex machinery involved in coin production. Because genuine errors are relatively uncommon, authenticated examples often attract specialized collector attention. Varieties present another fascinating area of study. Unlike dramatic mint errors, varieties often involve subtle differences in die or production characteristics.
These distinctions may be difficult for casual observers to notice.
However, advanced collectors frequently examine coins under magnification, searching for unique features. The discovery of varieties adds another layer of depth to collecting. Even a common coin can become significantly more interesting when viewed through the lens of die characteristics and production history. Now let's discuss grading. Grading is one of the most important concepts in numismatics because it provides a standardized method for evaluating condition.
Without grading standards, comparing coins would be extremely difficult.
The grading scale ranges from heavily worn examples to nearly flawless specimens. Lower grade coins display obvious circulation wear. High points become flattened. Details soften. Surfaces show extensive handling. As grades increase, more original detail remains visible. Uncirculated coins display no actual wear from circulation. Instead, they retain the luster and sharpness present when they left the mint. Within the mint state category, even tiny differences matter. A small mark in a prominent area can influence a grade.
A stronger strike may enhance eye appeal.
Superior luster often attracts collector attention. The highest grades become increasingly difficult to achieve. This scarcity creates additional demand among collectors pursuing registry quality examples. For the 2000p Jefferson Nickel, condition plays a critical role in determining collector interest. Many examples exist. Far fewer survive with outstanding preservation. Now let's explore the collector market. Most circulated 2000p Jefferson Nickels remain inexpensive and readily available.
This accessibility makes them excellent educational coins for beginning collectors.
They offer an opportunity to learn about grading, mint marks, varieties, and preservation without requiring a significant investment. However, the market becomes more interesting when we move into higher grades. Uncirculated examples often command stronger premiums than circulated pieces. Certified coins graded at elite mint state levels can attract substantial collector attention. Registry set participants frequently seek the finest known examples available.
This competition can create strong demand for top population coins.
It's important to understand that collector markets are constantly evolving. Prices depend on supply, demand, grading populations, and overall collector interest. No future value is guaranteed. Instead, the appeal of the hobby comes from education, preservation, and historical appreciation. And that brings us to one of the most meaningful aspects of this coin, its educational value. The 2000p Jefferson Nickel may seem ordinary at first glance, but beneath its modest appearance lies an incredible connection to American history.
It introduces collectors to Thomas Jefferson.
It encourages exploration of Monticello. It provides insight into modern minting technology. It demonstrates the importance of grading and preservation, and it highlights the fascinating relationship between history and everyday objects. Few hobbies combine history, art, economics, and detective work as effectively as coin collecting. Every coin becomes a miniature time capsule. The 2000p Jefferson Nickel is no different. It represents the beginning of a new millennium. It reflects a continuation of one of America's longest running coin designs.
And it reminds us that even ordinary coins can tell extraordinary stories.
As we reach the end of our journey, consider this. Millions of 2000p Jefferson Nickels entered circulation. Most people spent them without a second thought, yet each coin carried the image of a founding father, the architecture of Monticello, and a connection to a pivotal moment in modern history. Some remain in circulation today, others rest in collections. A few exceptional examples continue attracting attention from dedicated collectors.
But regardless of condition or value, every one of them preserves a piece of American history.
That is the true magic of coin collecting. Not simply discovering rare coins, not simply learning values, but uncovering stories hidden in objects most people overlook. The next time you receive a nickel and change, take a moment to look at it, examine the details, consider its journey, think about the history it represents, because sometimes the most ordinary coin can reveal the most fascinating story. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the 2000p Jefferson Nickel.
We hope you enjoyed discovering the history, design, minting process, rarity factors, errors, grading insights, and collector appeal behind this remarkable piece of American coinage.
Subscribe to Royal Coin Value USA for more incredible stories about rare and antique coins. And remember, history is often hiding in plain sight, waiting to be discovered one coin at a time.